Yo, what's up guys? B-Boy LMD here and you guys are watching Respeto, Kagulong. In today's episode, we are here at FKM Antipolo branch para tingnan ang kanilang bagong adventure scooter na si FKM Hunter 150. Si Hunter 150 ay isang compact adventure scooter, kaya naman good news ito para sa mga kagulong natin na hindi ganong katangkaran dahil this might be your chance para makasakay ng isang adventure scooter. Sobrang solid din ang overall design niya, kaya naman paniguradong head turner ka sa kalsada. Ayos! It is equipped with an air-cooled 150cc single-cylinder engine, 4-stroke 2-valve single overhead cam, EFI automatic transmission. It has a maximum power of 8.6 kW at 7,500 RPM and a maximum torque of 12.2 Nm at 6,500 RPM. Si FKM Hunter 150 ay naka-full LED na para sa kanyang lighting system. Naka-projector headlight na very futuristic yung datingan, samahan pa ng kanyang built-in auxiliary lights na hindi lang for aesthetic purposes but it provides a better vision sa gabi. Meron na din itong hazard light, kill switch, naked handlebar, pretty decent hand grip and rear view mirrors. Naka non-adjustable windscreen visor, built-in hook, side pocket with USB port, standard ignition system at may grab bar na top box ready na. Solid! Again, FKM Hunter 150 is a compact adventure scooter, which means swak na swak ito kahit sa average height natin mga Pilipino. 750mm lang kasi yung seat height niya. And big props din sa upholstery ni Hunter 150. Hindi lang basta good quality, bagos makapit sa pantalon. Malapad at malambot, kaya naman mapapasarap ka talaga. I mean, komportable talaga siyang upuan. Di lang si rider, kundi pati na rin ang cast. Very manageable din ang weight niya na 124 kilograms lang. May mataas na ground clearance na which is 140mm. Naka dual sport tires na din tong si Hunter 150. Tubeless 12 inches in both, 120/70 sa harap habang 130/70 naman sa likod. Naka disc brake na ito harap likod with dual piston caliper, telescopic fork sa front suspension with rubber boots habang dual shock naman sa likod for better stability sa biyahe. And speaking of biyahe, malayo-layo din talaga ang mararating mo dito kay Hunter 150 dahil 7 liters lang naman yung tank capacity niya. San ka pa, diba? And one more thing, it has a pretty decent underseat storage na din naman na, which has enough space para sa mga importanteng gamit natin sa ride. And if you need more storage naman, you could get a free top box by Sec Moto Supply upon purchase here at FKM Antipolo branch once you pay in full cash. Mind you guys that this is a limited time offer only, so better hurry and grab yours now. For inquiries and assistance, feel free to send us a message via Facebook page. So kung tingin mo ito na talaga ang perfect adventure scooter para sa iyo, you can take home the FKM Hunter 150 for only 78,000 pesos SRP. Available for cash and financing, so visit lang dito sa FKM Antipolo branch. We are located here at RMC Building, P. Rodriguez Avenue, Barangay Dalig, Antipolo City. And I guess that should be it. Make sure to follow our Facebook page for more and subscribe to our YouTube channel. B-Boy LMD here at Respeto, Kagulong. Just remember to be safe always and enjoy every ride. Bye for now, and I'll see you guys on the next one.